Nervous day.
Why is that?
Oh, final assembly.
It's gonna look good, man.
Yeah, it's got a couple blims, you know, like at the bottom. It didn't take that good there, but hey, it looks like I've been using it.
Yeah.
It's been great, man. It's super fun.
Good.
I can't wait to see how it looks all together.
I mean, that's gonna be. It's just gonna pop then. I mean, it'll be cool.
You have to. You have a little ramrod end or something that goes on this. Where is that little devil? And it really, really fits.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the.
Goes through.
What size drill bit corresponds with this nail?
Good question. I would assume it was the.
About a 16. It's going to be something bigger than that.
I feel like an assistant to a surgeon.
You keep that for a souvenir.
Were these about this right size, or is there going to be some?
It's going to be long. Is that what your question was?
Yes.
Yeah.
By design, or do we need to cut it down?
Well, in the industry, ramrod blanks are 4 foot long, and that's probably what this is.
Having said that, how far should it protrude from the muzzle?
Your choice. My hunting guns, I like the ramrod to stick out about that far.
About 3 inches.
Yeah, so I can grab it and pull it out.
Okay.
When I display my own personal guns at gun shows, everyone says, "Why is the ramrod so long?"
That's practical. You're reaching
Yes.
for.
You look at all the old hillbilly pictures out of the 20s and 30s, the mountain rifles, you know, the old hillbillies up in the mountains, they all had long ramrods that were sticking maybe 6 inches out of them.
Okay. There's a handle.
Yep, easy to grip.
What is that tool?
This is the number 49 rasp.
Rasp.
Yep.
Yeah.
See,
Very brutal.
the teeth are staggered. There's no pattern. They're not in rows.
I see that now.
Okay, and it's a, well, it's rusty now. Number 49 is what it is.
I see it.
And
Called a rasp.
yes, it's a cabinet maker's rasp. And they're wonderful.
Extremely aggressive versus these a little more
That's
tool
right.
files.
Yeah, this is made for moving wood. I use these for shaping stocks,
Okay.
as well as ramrods. You've got to grow a big belly so you can do this too. That's the only reason why I grew this.
Good room size.
Okay.
Awesome.
As soon as I get a ramrod, I'll be 100%. I gotta do these pins.
That was fun.
I'm the only looter here. That's the only Kentucky guy. We got Michigan.
Okay.